Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your activities day. So today you're going to build an app and you're going to use knowledge that you gained from your street food experience in food tech, and you're also going to learn how to build an app, and you're going to apply some of the skills that you've learned in computer science and design elements of it. So the first thing that you are going to do is you're going to open up Teams. Okay. Now in Teams, you are going to go into your name and you will have all the different parts of the day on there for you. So an overview of the day is the first part is you're just going to have a little go at App Inventor. So you're going to just do a little tutorial on there just to see that if it all works for you. Don't spend any more than an hour on that. The second part of the day, you are going to plan what food you're going to sell. So the whole concept of this is that there's going to be a festival that's being run, and you are going to bring a food truck to it, serving international street food. And you are going to have to come up with some breakfast items, some mains, some snacks, some sweet treats, actually, and some drinks. I think I've missed that off here. Okay, so that's the concept there. You want to think about your dietary requirements as well: vegetarian options, vegan options, diabetic, food allergies, intolerances, and religious dietary needs. So you need to think about those and you need to show that on the menu in some way. So you might want to find some little icons that you could use. You might want to have letters. You might want to have a key for what it means. So spend a maximum of an hour and a half doing that. The third part that you're going to do is you're actually going to come up with a design for your app. So what I've done for you is I will give you there'll be a PowerPoint. And sorry, this is actually not the correct one. I think it's this one here. Oops. Sorry, it's this app template here. So I've created the app template so that it's the proper size for you. So you can see here, this is what your screens will basically look like on there. And so you're going to do a mock-up. Think about the color scheme that you're going to use. Remember, you can go into design. You can go into here, into colors. And if you want to set up your own color scheme, you can go customize colors. And you can pick, so for example, accent 1, you can click more colors. And you can actually set the RGB, which we used before in adobecolor.com. You can use that and you can actually pick your own colors so that everything ties together nicely on there. Once you've designed it, you are then going to actually create the app, and you can use either Scratch, or you can use App Inventor would be my number one option, and then Scratch as a backup. And what you're going to end up with is something that looks a little bit like this. So this is App Inventor, and the way that it works is we program each of these bits. Now, if I show you on my phone, just to show you what it actually looks like, the app itself. So as you can see, it matches exactly what you see on the screen. If I hit the mains button, it will take me to a screen with my mains on there. If I hit, sorry, that was the back button. If I hit, what else have I think I had this one, sweet treats. Okay, so you've got sweet treats on there. Hit it to go back. I think the orders is the other one that I've done. So you can see on there, they can add their first name. They can add all these different details on there. Okay. And if you want to, you're actually, it is possible from App Inventor to actually download the app to the phone. Now, if you're developing on Android, there are a few steps you need to go through. You need to set your phone up for it. And also you need to install this little app here, which allows you to connect your phone and the an App Inventor if they're on the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, if you are unable to get App Inventor working for any reason, you can use Scratch. So this is just a sample of what I've done here. So if you click on mains, it's going to take us to a mains page. If I click, I want to have a chicken salad and I want to have a beetroot salad. Now nothing happens, but I'll show you in a moment where it goes to. Go back to the home page. I'm going to go to my sweet treats page. Let's order some cheesecake. So I'll just click this plus here. Obviously I haven't lined them up very well. I did it quite quickly today. Click a little plus on there, and I'm going to go to this order page, and the foods that I added on are actually all there now. If I click clear order, everything is off there. And let's just show you again. Oh, I clearly haven't programmed this correctly. So mains 1, 2, 3, 4, and one of the waffles. Order page. 2 of the chickens, 2 of the feta beet salads, and the waffle there. You can see I've added an extra space in. So that's the basics of what you're going to do today. Any questions, give me a shout and I'll get back to you as quick as I can.